Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and do you get stressed? Unless you're currently in a coma, I'm guessing the answer to that is probably a huge yes. Something that has been really helping me lately to cope with my stress are these Mind Panda stress balls. I think that a lot of us have used those sand-filled stress balls in the past, but the design and function of these stress balls are much better. These ones from Mind Panda will have much better longevity than those. They're much more durable, and they also have a variety in the density levels. Sometimes when I am feeling really anxious, I find it super hard to concentrate. So I really find that the sensory experience of using these brings me a lot of relief and helps me to really focus on whatever I'm trying to work on. I'm not always a fan of scented things, but these smell so good. The scent is really not overpowering or too perfumey, but it's really, really pleasant. An extremely thoughtful touch to these is also the fact that each of them have a theme. They have really positive questions related to the theme printed right on them. I very much enjoyed thinking about these questions, and during down moments, it's really helped me to refocus my mind on something positive. These are also very helpful for improving my hand dexterity and improving my carpal tunnel syndrome symptoms. Especially when I wake up in the morning, my hands and my wrists can be very stiff and kind of numb, so these really help with that. This also makes them great for when I'm warming up for a workout where I know that my wrists need to be flexible and will be bearing a load. If you're looking for a way to both keep your hands nimble and also try to lessen your anxiety, well, take it from me and give these Mind Panda stress balls a try. And that's my point of view.